Steve Cologne with Cologne and Villaplana. I wanted to thank you for joining me today. Today we're going to talk about short sales. So what is a short sale? Basically, let's say my phone. Bought my phone for $1,000. I owe the company I bought it for, let's say I'm financing it, I owe them $800. I find a buyer like yourself that's willing to buy it for $500. That means I'm going to be short $300 on what I owe to this person holding that finance note. So basically I'm going to apply and say, please forgive me, I can't pay this. I have a person that can buy this phone from me for $500, and unfortunately you'll be short the $300. Will you allow me to sell it and allow me not, in most cases, not owe you any money? Now, for those of you sellers, make sure that that's the case when you're doing a short sale, that once a short sale goes through, you're forgiven that debt. So hopefully that kind of analogy kind of makes a little sense for everyone. So what's the process? Well, obviously, if we're doing all that, it's going to take a lot longer. I, as a buyer's attorney, typically like to allow my clients to cancel the contract within a specific time if they're waiting too long, so they're not in contract forever. But the short sale process can take a lot longer, unfortunately, due to the fact that you're waiting on that lender to decide if they want to forgive some of that debt. And typically they also have to pay the closing costs for the seller because the seller has no money. So the whole process is a back and forth. It's a negotiation while you're working on getting your loan, getting title clear. And that's the other thing. A lot of times with short sale, there could be title issues. So all these things have to get taken care of. If there are violations on the property, either you're agreeing to take them, the short sale bank may be agreeing to pay for them if they were negotiated properly. It's very rare, though, even if they're paid for, that the short sale bank will clear them. So that's in sum what I really wanted to talk to you about with the short sale process. It's just a little bit timelier. Hopefully understand how now it works. It's not a guarantee. Just because your offer gets accepted, that bank can counter and say, we're not taking less than this much money, and you have the choice of walking away or agreeing to pay more. So short sales, they can be great. You can be getting them for less than market value, but there is no guarantee, and you may be within a few months and some out-of-pocket expenses that are not reimbursed, and it may not go through. Thank you. I hope it was informative, and give me a call if you have any other questions. Hope you're enjoying the videos that you've watched today. They're not meant to be a substitution for speaking with your legal professional, but just an educational tool. Thank you.